Hello everyone, welcome to Job GCS. Today we have an opening for HR Generalist for the Mumbai location. The job location is Vasai and Khar. The relevant associate or bachelor's degree is required with minimum of 1 year of experience. The candidate should sound good in the hiring processes, HR policies and procedures, and should have problem solving skills. Apart from this, candidates should have soft skills over the Word, Excel, email writing and documentation. The salary details are mentioned over the screen. Please note the female candidates are preferred. Alright, if you find the profile interested, please send your resume over the given email ID. You may also join our Telegram channel to receive such updates in future. Link is given in the description box. Please do not forget to like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.